You're watching Animals Undercover. Welcome back to another episode of Animals Undercover. Today we'll solve the mystery of whether or not dogs can do algebra.
Spoiler, they can't.
Okay, we don't really have a mystery, but what we do have is a bunch of videos that feature animals doing funny and adorable things. Let's check out these animals in the rain. Get in my mouth, Skywater! Yum, 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 yum. Hey, wait a second. This is just a bath that falls from the sky. It's a trick. Well, it won't turn into a bath if I drink it all. Back to drinking sky water.
Oh, hey, a stick that moves by itself. Oh, this is great. Wait a second. I can't seem to get this stick.
Pork power, go!
All we're breaking is the speed record for aquatic pigs. Forget Navy SEALs. Witness the power of Navy swine. I'm kind of sleepy, but also I really need to practice my doggy paddle.
My glasses are impervious to rain. No matter how many drops come down, my vision stays perfectly clear. You are probably jealous with your non-windshield wiper glasses that get raindrops all over them.
Yar, it be me, Pirate Puppers on the SS Happy Hammock. Flopper, flopper, flop. We be in quite the turbulent tempest, yes we are. Batten down the hatches, ye sea dogs, and don't forget to hatten down the batches as well, matey.
Hi, human with a camera! Don't worry about me. We elephants have built-in snorkels. I actually feel bad for you humans. These floods are probably tough for animals without trunks. Hey, do you have any snacks? Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other... Singing in the rain is actually exhausting. I'm surprised they made a whole song about it.
Hi, little guy.
Hi, it's me, the raccoon in the monsoon. A little bit of a joke there. But seriously, I'm staying here till it stops pouring, okay?
It is me, the Puddle Pooch. I will leave no puddle unsplashed. I use my super speed to visit every watery spot in this field and then dampen your car's interior on the ride home.
Oh, this rain is ridiculous. I'm a hummingbird, not a gargling bird. My wings are so wet I can barely fly. This counts as all my showers for the week, okay?
Could it be a free drink Friday? Hooray! I guess technically all my drinks are free drinks since I don't have any money, but it's still cool when they fall from the sky.
Yeah, I'm drinking raindrops. Yes, it's taking a very long time. But since someone seems to get mad when I drink from the toilet, I have to resort to this.
Rainy days are the best. I like to cozy up inside by the fire and watch the pets play outside.
Not me. I like to be out in the rain where the action is.
That must be why you always have a cold.
I don't always have a...
Oh, no. Well, I've got the perfect cure. Let's get into this week's countdown of pet blunders.
Who made this mess? Was it? Don't no. Wait.
let's see the next batch of animals who are a bit technologically challenged.
Yes, Michelle, I am on that new mist diet. You may have heard of it. Yeah, I can eat all the mist I want and I won't gain any weight. Oh, yeah, you should try it. Sometimes I add lemon drops to the mist maker. I know, kooky. That's me.
The robots are invading!
Remain calm. These robots are harmless. Yeah? Just stay behind them. They can't turn around.
Are you sure about that?
Of course! Look, it's trapping itself under the desk. It can't turn around! Run! I was wrong. I was so wrong. Save yourselves.
Ooh, hey, a new toy! Looks fancy. Cat smack! Cat 1, technology 0. What do you think it is?
It's a paper spitter. Careful, Bill. They're dangerous. Ah!
But why does it spit paper?
Our top cat scientists are still trying to figure that out. Yeah.
Remember, Carl, the key to robot fishing is patience.
Got it.
Wait for it. Mile!
Wait a second. This tastes terrible. Robot fishing is dumb.
Hey, new guy. My owner says you're an RC car. What's the RC stand for? Runaway crybaby? Yeah, that's what I thought. Get out of here, fella. You're not even that fast. I can outrun you, and I don't even have wheels. I hope my owner trades you in for a chew toy. Maybe one of those squeaky ones.
John, this is the best thing ever. Oh, there's so many balls everywhere. I can't even. I don't know where to start. John, we gotta take this thing home with us, please, John.
Feel my wrath, you infernal noise machine! Michael, Susan, get to safety! I'll handle this demonic dust devourer!
Cat! Oh, thank goodness you're here, because there was a new dog, but it's Wong. It's a Wong kind of dog.
Yes, I see. Normally I deal with things like this by knocking them off a shelf. Maybe the humans will put him on a shelf, and then you can knock him off.
Oh, hey, glad you're here, folks. I was just cleaning the filter on this thing. Not buying it, huh? Okay, well, fine. I crawled in here looking for leftover spaghetti. And now I can't get out. I've accepted it. I live here now. This is not a dishwasher anymore. It is a fox box. That's what I call it.
It's mesmerizing. I have no idea what it is, but I love it.
Ah, pets and technology. They go together like peanut butter and kayaks.
I don't know if you mean that it's a good combination or a bad combination.
Oh, someone's clearly never had peanut butter on a kayak.
No, and I never will. But what I will do is roll part 2 of this week's countdown. It's time for spring training. Oh, dear. I just remembered I can't use the ladder because I don't have hands. Gotta find the shallow end. Gotta find the... Oh dear. Oh dear. Just keep swimming. Keep your head up, dear. Phew. That was a close one.
I sure hope there are no vampire cats around here.
It was me. I am the vampire cat.
Dang it, Harold.
Quick game of patty cake while we wait for you to turn into a vampire cat.
Why don't you find someone else to bother?
You're my favorite friend to bother.
Yeah.
I'm training for the 100-meter doggy dash.
All right, make the wall fall. Balance on the roly-poly. Yeah, okay, grab the sausage string. Teeter past the totter, and then finish things up with a nice swim. Oh, wow, that's a new personal record.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this thing is amazing, Donnie. You gotta try this.
Okay, I'm coming. Whoa, you were right. I can't believe I spent all those years making fun of the hamsters. They were living the good life. Hey, Johnny, get over here and try this.
Wowzers! I can finally take a walk without going anywhere. It's a dream come true.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm having a really good time.
Gotta get ready for the big fight. Fists of Fury. Posture check. Perfect posture. Back to punching. I'd better practice my biting too, just in case it's a dirty fight. Second posture check. Time for a break. I've earned it.
Gotta impress the judges. Maximum speed.
Wonderful. Judges?
He's moving on to the finals.
Hey, check this out! I'm Larry Bird! Slam it and jam it! I'm the best in the game! Okay, time to retire on top.
I got goals to go between these poles. Pole goals. Yeah. Fastest zigzagger and tail wagger. That's me. Hey, Lenny, check this thing out. It spins if you walk on it. Look.
Oh, hey, you're right. Something seems to be slowing me down, though.
Hey!
Oh, there we go. Now it's running much smoother.
Hey, quit hedgehogging the wheel.
Oh my gosh, jumping just got way easier.
Hey, who turned down the gravity?
We should never leave this place.
I hope I still remember all my combos. Jab, jab, cross. You like that? Yeah, I'm a southpaw with actual paws. They'll never see me coming. And Doggo is the winner and still champion. No one suspects the underdog to win. Wow! Boy, I wouldn't want to get in the ring with that pooch.
I wouldn't worry about it. I don't think you two are in the same weight class.
You're probably right. But we've got some heavyweight contenders duking it out for the top spot on our countdown. Coming at you right now.
Yay, birds!
Nothing like a refreshing drink of. Okay, I'm stuck, but I've gotta stay positive. The glass is half full. Half full of bird. Little help here?
Scram, buddy! Beat it! I said beat it! There's only room for one rooster in this hen house. Why aren't you talking, huh? 2 chicken, mum's the word, take this, huh?
Silly human. You cannot blow me off my perch. Your lungs are too puny. Oh, it is comical how puny your lungs are.
Hey you, quiet dude. Can you come out and play? Just for a little bit? I've been asking all day. Didn't you get that tweet I sent ya?
Whoa. I do a little wiggle and I get a little nibble. I have wiggled twice now. Oh, no. Oh, I still think it should be 1 wiggle per nibble. If you ask me. A wiggle.
How dare you, Cassidy! Stop getting handsy with this home wrecker. That's better. For this to work, I demand loyalty. You dare steal my hand again? You're about to catch this beak. I forgive you, Cassidy. Just promise me you'll never stray again. You've strayed again? Who could have predicted this?
Well, maybe we could share.
I will destroy you if I can't have you. I'm sorry, Sandra. I don't like you that way.
Helicopter!
Yes, great impression.
Hey, who's a pretty bird?
You're a pretty bird.
So you're funny.
Thank you, but I still just want to be friends.
Come here.
Okay, you're starting to creep me out now.
Oh, Cynthia, I think I love you almost as much as I hate face cleaning products. You know how I feel about those things.
Oh, yeah, that's the spot. Wait, why is everything upside down? I've got to stop going to that chiropractor duck. He's clearly a quack.
All right, so I'm on my way to work, but I just want to introduce you to my good friend Gerard.
You cursed force field. How dare you bar my entry? Ouch.
Gotta keep up the pace. Oh, they're not getting me this Thanksgiving. Forget a turkey trot. I'm trading for the turkey triathlon. I'm not ending up as the main course.
Oh, yes, this new beak rest and warmer, it is positively delightful. Truly, this is the height of luxury.
I'm not comfortable with this.
How ironic, because I am supremely comfortable. I may never leave.
Doggy beak warmers seem like an excellent product. I'll take 10.
You don't even have a beak.
Stop crushing my dreams. Maybe the #1 video of this week's countdown will distract me from your negativity.
I'm sure it will. Let's roll that final clip. It looks like that pup in the #1 spot on the countdown just landed on Santa's naughty list.
It's okay. Santa can be bribed.
I'm sure he can. But you don't have to bribe us to come back next week with another hilarious episode, jam-packed with animal antics.
See you next time, folks.